In this guide, I'll show you how to get sound through your headset only on Xbox Series S or X or Xbox One. So first, go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then from General, scroll on over and select Volume and Audio Output. Now you want to ensure under speaker audio, this is set to headset format. And for headset audio, for most headphones, Windows Sonic or stereo uncompressed will do. There are a few exceptions though. Now we're going to scroll over and go to Advanced Additional Options. And you want to ensure Mute Speaker Audio when headset is attached is toggled on. In addition to that, go to Party Chat Output, and you want to ensure that this is only on headset. Now, if you're experiencing issues, it's not working, what I recommend you do is to first scroll down and go to Devices and Connections and select Controllers and Headsets. Then you want to go to the three dots, and you want to ensure your Xbox wireless controller is up to date with the latest software. And I also recommend you ensure it's plugged in properly, as well as trying a different controller if you have one. This video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.